Protitler might have been a feature that was introduced in the Sony Vegas Pro 13, if not earlier. The fact remains that it is a feature that has been available since Vegas Pro was under Sony, and yet there doesn't seem to be a video that is dedicated to comprehensively covering what this plugin is capable of doing, and in fact what are the advantages that it offers aside from the default text plugin that we usually use. So I will begin by producing a tutorial on how to get a typewriter effect. And this has been covered in another video, but I'm keen on starting with this because it does cover what Protitler is capable of. And notice how constrained this interface is. I'm going to type your text here, for example. And I'm going to have to toggle off the edit mode by pressing escape. As you can see, a pretty constrained manner of editing your text, which is preferable in instances where you want to be nitpicky about how you want your text to look. And if I go over to Layout and press the stopwatch, well, in Premiere Pro we usually call this a stopwatch, however this is toggle animation. I'm going to grab this and pull it all the way back, and notice there's a fade here, and this is because I have the fade selection turned on. So if I turn this off, we don't want that in a typewriter effect. And just drag this over to the 2-second mark and then bring this back. It's going to produce the desired effect that I want. I'm going to go ahead and come back here and play this. Look at that. Pretty cool. No masks needed. The second thing that I would like to mention is the fact that you can change the selection up to be by word, or indeed even by line. And of course, I can imagine these being used in different instances. So word, I would imagine this would be used in some particular ad, like those Apple ad products where you see them just abuse this type of an animation whenever a new iPhone pops up.